Stop manifesting the wrong way. 5 big mistakes you're making. You staring intensely at a vision board, waving crystals, then looking around confused. All right, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've done the affirmations, the scripting, maybe even lit a candle and whispered to the moon. But nothing is happening. Where's the dream job? Where's the soulmate? Where is my money, universe? Relax. You might just be making one of these 5 common manifestation mistakes. And trust me, I used to make all of them. Stay till the end because I'll share a crazy personal story that proves this stuff actually works. Mistake 1. Wishing, not believing. Manifestation isn't about hoping, it's about knowing. Wrong way. Saying, I hope I get rich. Right way. Saying, I am wealthy. I attract abundance easily. It's like ordering food. Do you sit there hoping your pizza will come? Or do you know it's coming because you placed the order? Exactly. I used to say, I want to be financially free. But deep down, I didn't believe it. One day, I switched to saying, money flows to me effortlessly. And boom, out of nowhere, I got a random $500 refund I wasn't expecting. Coincidence? I think not. Mistake 2. Being desperate. The universe can smell desperation from a mile away. If you're like, I need this now or I'll die, guess what? You're pushing it away. Why? Desperation equals lack mindset. Relax. Assume it's already yours. Imagine texting your crush 37 times in a row. Do they reply? No. The same goes for your desires. Chill. Let them come to you. I once tried to manifest a text from someone I liked. I kept checking my phone every 5 minutes like a lunatic. Guess what? Nothing. The second I stopped obsessing and started focusing on myself, boom! That, hey, how you been? Text came out of nowhere. Classic. Mistake 3. Not taking action. You can't just visualize a six-pack while eating pizza every day. You gotta do something. Manifestation formula. Intention plus action equals results. For example, if you want money, start learning, investing, or creating opportunities. The universe loves action takers. I once tried manifesting more subscribers for my YouTube channel. I visualized it, wrote it down, everything. But I wasn't posting consistently. The moment I started actually uploading videos regularly, my numbers started growing like crazy. Mistake 4. Doubting right after manifesting. If you ask for something and then immediately go, what if it doesn't happen? You just canceled your order. Trust and let go. It's like planting a seed and then digging it up every day to see if it's growing. Stop it. Let the universe do its thing. One time, I manifested an opportunity to travel. I told myself, it's already happening. A week later, a friend randomly invited me on a trip, and they even covered part of the cost. If I had doubted it, I bet it wouldn't have happened. Mistake 5. Low vibe energy. You attract what you are, not what you want. So if you're constantly negative, stressed, or gossiping, you're pushing away the good stuff. Raise your vibration. Practice gratitude. Listen to happy music. Do things that make you feel good, now. I used to complain about not having enough. And guess what? I kept getting less. The day I started saying, I already have everything I need and more is coming, opportunities started flowing in. The ultimate manifestation hack. Here's the secret sauce. Act as if it's already yours. If you were already successful, how would you walk, talk, think? Do that now. For the next 24 hours, walk around like you already have what you want. Comment below how it changes your vibe. I once pretended I had a brand deal before I actually had one. I told myself, I'm a content creator who gets paid for brand deals. A month later, an actual brand reached out and paid me for a collab. Coincidence? I think not. Manifesting is simple. Get clear, believe, take action, and trust the process. Which mistake are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your manifestation buddy.